Guys, sound checks. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing 1 2 testing 1 2. Okay, good. Sound checks 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. Hi, Giants. Okay, hi everyone. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, say hi, David. Let me know. Can you hear me? Hey guys. Story today talks about what Trump's. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Okay, before everything starts, right? Let make sure that everyone ready first. Okay, let me check on the. Let's check on the message first. Okay. Okay. Do you hear my? Wait, let me check on it. Here, so why there's no record here? Okay, I got Muhammad Namirs, Ryans, and Malasavi. Hi, long time no see. So guys, update me. How many of you? Congratulations to those that follow my life. Okay, yeah, definitely making about 10% profit, isn't it? How many of you here is already make profits? If you already make profit, type yes, let me know. Okay, but why is it 7 only? Wait, let me check and see. Uh, yeah, wait, I'm checking some right now. Yeah, getting in. Okay, by waiting, everyone's comes in right now. 8:04. Okay. Okay, guys. Never mind. I mean, I don't wait. Those that come in late, maybe we watch. Maybe you watch replay later on. Okay, okay, 8:05 right now. We're gonna start here. Good. Okay, guys. I think it's been. I mean, this crypto power I've already delayed for 1 week. Okay, because I'm in Japan. So sorry about it. So, guys, today we are here to update. Today here, right? I think today the most important thing is to talk about the fundamentals currently. Okay, because I believe that lots of y'all make great profits already about 10% plus minus. If you get to follow my trade calls, I ask you all to buy at around 72, 74, 78, 82. So your average price will be around somewhere 78 plus minus right now. How many of you already bought your spots? Okay, so I'm waiting for everyone to reply, man. Okay, straightforward so here. Okay, yes, and that. Okay, good. So today, right? Okay, we come here. We don't talk about previous time first. We talk about right now. So right now, what happened was like, okay, I see there's a green candle here, a green triangle here that tells me that there is possible of there's a small possibility of it is going to turn it into uptrend. It is definitely going to turn it into uptrends. Okay, so if it stays above for another 1 to 2 days, so basically this is going to become uptrend. But uptrend doesn't mean that it's really confirmed that it goes up. Maybe it go sideways, or maybe it's just a fake alert that tells you that uh, maybe it comes down. So we don't know first. But because of this red, the bull wave right is still red in color, so which means that it's still bear market right now. It's still bear. So as every time we say right, it is quite similar. Wait, I remove all the line first. Save. It is quite similar to here. Can you see that it's very similar? Which means that it comes down, comes down. Can you see here? Hi, my son. Okay, you can see this part come down, go up, come down, go up. So finally, it turns one green sign here. Then after that, okay, here goes up and go above the bull wave. So one is go above the bull wave. Yes, congratulations. It turns to become a bull market, and it went up crazy. So right now we are somewhere similar to this part. Can you see that? So some of you already bought your Bitcoin at an average price of 78K. Congratulations. Okay, most likely you're making about 10% profit right now. 8 to sorry 6 to 7 to 8% profits. Okay, so you're already holding a profit right now. What should you do? Should you just continue to hold it, or should you sell it and just take the profit? Remember the first day we talked about this? We say that your average price that you buy in, right, is in about, let's say, 78 or 76,000, right? Our target price is shoots up to 119K, 116K, sorry. 116K. We are targeting 50% of profits. And our stop loss is at 69K. Okay, 10%, 1 to 5. That is our profit ratio. Remember that? So I would say still remain to stick with the plan. Still stick with the plan. I'm risking 10%. I'm risking only 10,000. Let's say you put in 100,000. I risk 10,000, but my profit is 50K. I'm using 100,000 to fight 50K, 150. Got it? So stick with the plan. Stick with the plan. Then after that, we today I'll be cover three topics. The first topic, of course, is about spot first, based on our previous study and also our previous sorry plans. Our previous plans. Okay, let me say first. Okay, so right now, based on MACD, we know that okay, day chart is having a divergent ups. Okay, which means that someone asked me about a David Spencer saying that 4 hours is having a divergent down. Hi Spencer, long time no see here. Okay, yeah, it's a weak DD. So I prefer that it will go up something. So there's a chance that it will go up to 87,000, 87,000 and cause a rejections. Okay, guys, you can write down a number. 87,000 is a good rejection point. So let me do something first. Where's my pen? Here. It go as high 87,000, cause a rejections. Why there's a rejections here? Then come down here and rebound up. This is what I prefer. Okay, because of 4 hours. Is that clear? Good. This is 1.32. So why is it there's a rejection here? First thing, of course, there's a resistance of 88,300. There is a resistance, a very strong resistance here. Okay, a very strong resistance. Oops. Then, so I would say consider this is the rejections. And the second, there's 1.382. Okay, one is a Fibonacci, 88,005 is 1.32. So for me, right, okay, those that already got in spot. So I would say just leave it and let the profit fly. Okay. But when it comes to futures, if you say, David, I want to trade, should I go long now or short right now? I wouldn't ask you to go for long right now because even though I believe it goes up, but I wouldn't ask you to go for long right now because of it is at the rejection point. You can see a trend line is there is blocking it. So I would rather you to wait it go up first. Okay, it's a good price for you to aim is somewhere between 81,800 for you to long, or maybe at 87,500 for you to short. Okay. Why today's life is more like an inner circle life? I'm talking about trade call. Yeah. Okay. Try to use your way to uh try to do your own management, which means that long trades, long trade we are focusing on long-term trades, which means that we are focusing about 94K. We are hoping that this is going to go up to 94K. This is a long-term trade. Okay. A long-term trade with a stop loss somewhere between 4% with fighting of 14%, 1 to 3. Okay. But the first rejection point is still 88,005. But if you're going for a short-term trade, right, I would say yes, you can go for a short with 3% stop loss, and you only can target about 1 to 1. Got it? Only 1 to 1. Because there is a support here. Once one if it shoots up, when it comes down, there's a support here. So here is having a two trade call. You can just monitor these two price. First of all, you can just add an alert here, 87,005, saying that hey, one reaches this alert, inform me. And also here, 82,000, one touches this amount, inform me. Then you only make a decision after that. Is that clear? Clear, let me know. So today topic we are focusing about Trumps. What Trumps happened? During last 2 weeks or 3 weeks, right? Basically, it goes according to our plan, isn't it? It goes according to our plan, and it really formed two mountain from divergent. Can you see the divergent up? It forms up and it shoots. Okay, so right now it still remain in a sideway market, and I'm hoping that this sideway is going to create some strength that push it up. So it goes up to 94, then 100, 109, then 100. After that, 116. That's our super cycle. Okay. During the basically I know every one of you're used to like watch a lots of YouTubes, lots of like study fundamental. We talks about this year, second quarter is going or third quarter is going to become a real bull market, a real super bull market. It can shoot up Bitcoin to 150K. But let's say we put it aside first. Because based on what people said, okay, maybe yes, I would say maybe like 60% yes, but still there's something that something that's out of control. We need to think like more realistic today. Do you think possible that everyone is going to make money? Sometimes we need to be more skeptical a bit by when we do the planning. Is it really a bit everyone is going to make profits? Right now, Bitcoin is remaining at 85K. When Bitcoin is remaining at 85K, right now, total people that make profit is about 75%. Most people make profit, which is very unreasonable. In the financial world, we need to face the fact that not majority is going to make the profit money. Especially what happened to Trump right now. He's referring about he's the one that play around with it. I'm gonna I'm having my sixth sense, I would say, but it's not mainly about sixth sense, but I was more into like an experience talk here today. It's about guys. Today is April 17th. Okay, I just want everyone to listen here. Is about we got our plan. We want to take the 10%. You take the 10% risk, then go ahead. But once it broke the 10% risk, stop, keep on buying it back because the view, the finance market is how basically it is on stepping on other people's corpse only can make money, which means that I believe Trump is going to make it happen like a big crash down first before it pumps up like crazy. Okay, I'm really worried about COVID case happen again like this. Okay, what happened to COVID case? Okay, Bitcoin from 10,000 dropped down until 4,000, 3,008. Then after it only pumps up. This is what I worry. Okay, I'm not here to just make you worry or fear. I'm just want you to have a preparation first. Okay, after break this support, it's no longer about technical analysis anymore. It's more about fundamental already. It's more about what people talks. You know, I used to study a lot in politics at the same times. I have a lot of friends, experienced friends that talks about politics, right? We're having the same concept about the same thinking, the same mindset that thinking about Trump's. Because this time he's second time be- becoming a president, which means that this time he's not here to make America good again. He's here to make him good again. So basically, he's here to make money. So when he's here to make money, guys, I would say, we need to be careful a bit. Sometimes plan doesn't go according to our plan every single time. So even though when it crashed down, you don't feel sad. Okay, you know about the tariff? It raised about 140, 125. Then after that, having a rumor saying that it raised up to 240%. Yeah, these are the trade war. We don't now in the current market right now, we don't need a real war anymore. What we need is a trade war that's going to collapse, like collapse China's factory closed down, China's market closed down because of China. I mean, because of US, they just attacked. So when it comes to fundamental, there's a lot of things that are out of control. But something is under our control is about the money that we are holding on hand. The market is freaking bad right now, I believe. But I would say I'm waiting this to be happen in for 2 to 3 years already. We are keep on thinking that the market impossible everyone make money together. Definitely there's one crash there first gonna wipe out most of the investor. This is what a usual practice. Okay, but I can't be like just waiting for the big crash by doing nothing. Okay, I'm still need to have a correct calculated risk taking, like what those that came in, I mean those that watched my last video, you know that yeah, we our average price should be around 76K, 10% of risk to fight for 50%. You still need to remain this risk. If not, you're going to lose up most of your uh, opportunity. I don't want it to be happen. Don't because of your fear, your FUD. You are feeling of uncertainty. You are feeling of like fears, so that you don't go in. You don't do that. As long as you calculated the right risk, that's where you make the money. Got it? Is that clear? If it's clear, type clear. Let me know. If those that inner circle students, congratulations. Yeah, day chart is having a divergent ups. It's very obvious it's a divergent ups. Based on the past record, any divergence up in day charts, right? The success rate is more than 80%, A real divergent up, all right? One, two, then it goes up. Okay? Here there's nothing. Here also divergent up. One, two, and it goes up. Very obvious one. One and two, divergent ups and it goes up. Okay? One and two. One and two. Can you see that? Two mountain and it goes up. Okay, again here. One and two and it goes up. How you are seeing like, hey, David, it goes up a bit only. Hey, please. It goes up 11%, man. Don't play with it. Okay, they're still going up. Even though it's a bear market, it's still going up. Okay, the only risk you got is like here. I think that's the worst part is this one. This is not divergent up anymore. This one. Okay, one or this one go down too much already. You only have one risk, one failed attempt here. Got it? but actually you got chance of exit also. So the day chart is a very accurate signal to tell you that it is a bad the bull is coming. The bull is coming. You can see the bull is coming. You can look at the DL. Okay, you can look at DL. You can see that okay, a signal is showing up. Okay, so DL is going up soon, and also the bull wave. The bull wave is not yet. The bull is not here yet until it turns green. You need this candle. So as long as it goes above 88K, then the bull is secure. Above 88K more than 2 3 days, the bull is secure. Good. So guys, you got all the plan ready? You know what to do ready? Do you take out your notes or take out your pen here to write down? David say 88K and above more than 3 days is secure. 81.5K is a good place for you to long. Okay, anything below 69K, exit everything and wait for a better opportunity. Take the 10% risk. And we are aiming for 116K, 1 to 5 ratio. Got it? In order to make you a good money, right, you need to really understand that we are in a crypto market. At the same time, this is the capital market. You need capital to fight. When you need capital to fight, right, there's two ways. First of all, you need at least, like, let's say if you want to make 50K in futures, right? No, in spot, you want to make 50K. I would say, yeah, 1 to 5, right? You're risking 10K to make 50K of USD in 2 months, 6 months only, in these 2 quarters. I'm not referring something that really far away like next year, I know. Only these few months. It can help you to make 50% of your capital. So if you put in a 200K, you can make 100K. That is the amount that I'm referring. But if you're saying that, David, I only got 10K to start, can I go everything in 10x leverage? I would not recommend you to do so. If you're referring about 2 to 3x leverage by holding same positions, I would say still reasonable, but not 10x. Is that clear? But if you're trading in futures by only using $1,000 up and down in futures, no problem, doesn't matter. But if you're using a amount of money, let's say you got 10K and that is all your money, and you want to go for 10x to make 50K, I wouldn't recommend you this. I would recommend you to at least, if really want, maybe use 10K, you go for 3x, follow the amount I've given you. So maybe you are secure, your risk is 30%, still acceptable. Your 10K, you risk 3K, okay? But this 3K can help you to make 15K. You don't go all in, Saving money is not that easy, guys. I don't want you to take all the money into the same risk. Got it? Are you clear with all the numbers that I've given to you? If you're clear, type clear. Let me let me know. So let me check on the other things is about the okay. So and some of just now when we talks about Trump, right? April 17, ayo, too late already. By right, this live should be yesterday. April 17, right? Trump coin, where's Trump coin? Official Trump, 70 cent. Those that hold Trump coin, right, you need to be careful. In April 17, not Malaysia time, maybe tonight. Okay, Trump coin is going to release another 20%, which the valuation is about 300 millions, which means that there's 300 millions valuations token on all those investor hand. I'm going to tell you that if they dump the coin, the price will go even lower. How many of you got Trump on your hand? You got Trump coin on your hand, let me know. Based on the markets, right? Basically, a lot of people they believe in Trump. They're saying that, yeah, Trump wouldn't let him die one. He'll make it like a real crazy profit. Yes and no, but don't try to buy a coin when the coin in a dip. I would say you wouldn't know when is a U-turn is coming. You believe that Trump coin the highest it goes up to like I remember it goes up to like 60 but it goes up to like $70. Right now it's about 90% for 90%. So you're hoping that you think that this is 90%. It can go as low as $1, $2. You wouldn't know. So I would say, right, don't don't underestimate crypto. It can go as low as possible. So we try to buy a coin is when it turns up. Okay, you try to buy a coin that when it's have a U-turn, when it turns up, that makes everything more reasonable. Okay, good. So today live, right? I just want you all to have a preparations. That's why what Trump next move? I'm really worried about his next move. He's going to crash everyone confident in crypto market or in stocks market. So what is the best thing is about? I want you all to be prepared first. Every 2 weeks live in crypto pathway here, right? Okay, remember you just click on the notifications because every 2 weeks, right, I'm going to update everyone on your plans, what you need to be careful. So at least, right, if anything changes, I will let you know straight. Like for example, if it's like go towards like 75K next 2 weeks, I'm telling you that at this 75K you don't buy anymore, you break even, sell everything. At least you can get to catch up because the market keep on changing, which is sometimes if you left out yourself a bit this is going to make you lose a bigger portion of money. So that's the purpose I'm here to do live here every 2 weeks to making sure that everyone, those that came in late, those that came a watch later, remember stay for at least you finish all the videos first. You finish your whole video, you know the plan. You got the mind in your brain to know the numbers first. So once you got the numbers, you know you are more sensitive. I'm not asking you here to become a long-term investor by investing Bitcoin to become a 1 million. Okay, which is really hard. Come on. You need to consider opportunity cost, which are time cost. I'm here to tell you that you make enough profit, you sell it off, you enjoy your profit, you go anywhere you want, you don't bring your husband, your wife anywhere you want. That's the purpose. Okay. We are no longer, we are like millennials, we are like Gen Z, or I'm not Gen Z, of course, but maybe we are like we don't want to have an older mindset that keep on making money but we don't spend. I'm just hoping everyone can just spend, make more. The more you spend, the more you fly around the world, the more you have a different intake that money is not enough. Maybe you are feeling that you wouldn't feel so uh, you need something more. It's not necessary for yourself, for family. A bit, yeah, with like two grandmother story, but somehow this is the purpose that I'm doing all this life and also the purpose of doing educations. Okay, if it's not right, it wouldn't keep me moving forward for a very long time. Maybe I just invest. Enough already. Right? Why there's a chance of like making I mean why I can make my I can make money myself, but why do I need to teach? How to say? Teach is fun. At least I know I'm surviving. I'm at least I know I'm living here, but not just like doing nothing. Yeah. Okay. Okay. One more thing is, guys, I see right. There's lots of people here, and those that if those that you don't know about UFC, UFC is one of our website basically. Because we are successfully trained 400 funded trader out, and total withdrawal is 1.8 millions right now. So those that you are prop W traders or Pionex traders, okay, if you get to withdraw, you remember you just log in, you just register a Unity Fund challenge, you just key in your UID. Once you key in your UID, right, it will shows your withdrawal here. So once you remember, you fill in your address also because all the unity. This website, right? The purpose of this website, right? To have a same goal together. What kind of goal? First goal is my goal, not your goal. This is my goal. I want to create a 10 million withdrawal in 2025. I'm hoping that people, other students or other followers, that because of us, you get to funded with prop trading. When you funded with prop trading, you get to withdraw a good amount of money profits from prop tradings. Okay, and my target is 10 million for all my students. Okay, that's the first thing. For the second thing, it's about your achievement. Okay, this is my dog achievements. He got a total of 17,600 withdrawal, and she is the yellow trader right now. So for every single trader, there's a white trader, yellow trader, orange trader, blue traders. For every different traders, right, you will get to receive a special gift. So remember, key in your house address so that the gift will send it to you when it is available. Okay, you can see based on YTD up to date, there's a maximum withdrawal is 62K. Remember, go and claim your withdrawal. Okay, I don't mind whether you got withdraw before or haven't withdraw before. You just go to this website, UFC unity .unitycrypto.com, register an account, key in your UID. That's all. Okay, key in your UID. So it's there's no charges lah, of course. This is for us to have a same goal together. A goal that we let's achieve 10 million together. Every 2 million we are having some charity work to do. That's my purpose of doing this one. So we got the same goal to aim. We do charity together. You make profit together. The 10 million is not I make it's you make 10 million. I'm very happy. I want my student to make the 10 million. That's why we name it as Unity Fund Challenge. Achieve 10 millions in 2025. Not myself. It's my whole community. USDT. Is that okay? Register this. Any other coins can buy spot giants? Giants coin for me, right? Right now I wouldn't buy until when Bitcoin turns blue, which means that when Bitcoin blue wave becomes green in color, I only will consider other coins. But I wouldn't look at Ethereum right now. Ethereum have to really comes in with a bull market. Right now it's just like relying on Bitcoin. So basically you can make really good profits. A good profit you can make maybe XRP, maybe like BNB, all this like Solana, which is still good, but not honestly speaking, not Ethereum yet. Okay, good. Wow, clear. So guys, you got two things you need to do. Okay, the first thing is about continue with your. I mean, those that if you're not enough capital, of course you can just go ahead with Prop W or Pionex. Okay, if you got a Pionex, Pionex, I would say Pionex. Okay, Pionex, and also because there are two crypto trading platform right now. I mean, prop trading platform for crypto. So you can just register, start with maybe like 20K, 50K, which means that you are going to spend like $200 maybe, or maybe $100 or $200 to get the funded and try to achieve the amount. Okay, those that if you want to follow trade calls or if you want to follow trade calls, I would say join our discords. Okay, I will after this video I'll put in the description there. You can join our discord. Basically you can get to access more info inside. Okay, the discord is like you can follow some trade calls so that it is easier for you to pass your prop tradings. Okay, but remember those that once funded already, right? You can just focus on your fund, right? It is not necessary to reach a big one. Maybe every single trade you reach like 1% or 2%, but you can trade in long terms. You can try to use the 50K to make 5K to 10K or 15K. You withdraw. It is not necessary. This is especially for those people that having not enough capital. Remember what we said. If your capital is good, the amount of money that comes into your pocket. Last time, the amount that the amount of money that comes into your pockets, right? It always rely on your capital. If you're having $1,000, you want to make another thousand, yes, but that is only 1,000. Even though you double or triple your account, you only make 1,000. But in 2025 is different. There's prop trading. So when there's a prop trading, it given you like 50K. You just need to make 10%, you make 5K already, Correct or not? 5K is so much more than your 1K to 5K. That is something that is really uh game changing type of platforms that in crypto right now. We don't rely on crypto futures already. Okay. Phoenix and prop dollar package is the same. Yeah, now the same. Okay, now it's the same. Do you have any offline class coming, David? Offline class. Oh damn! I haven't confirmed the time yet. May. Okay, May. Maybe I will just record the videos and invite everyone. So stay click on notifications on the YouTubes on my Instagrams. I'll just inform everyone in my Instagrams. Yes, definitely there's offline class. May, because during June I'm moving office. We are changing our event hall, so basically I can run any event during June. So I will do it in May. Offline class. I prefer offline and not online. You have to fly to KL Klang because offline is something that you really can absorb everything in your brains and you really have a confident your confident level to start. If it's online itself, right, you trying to do it yourself, right, which is end up right wasted your few hours your time of your class, and at the end, right, you make nothing. I don't want this to be happen. Got it? So I want to ensure that people that come into the class, you have full attentions, you know what to do, and at the end of the class, at the end of the class, you got something that you can bring back. That's more important. If not, for what we need to waste the time, right? Anything not confirmed yet. I will let you know maybe next week. Okay. Wait the team come back first. The team's still in Japan right now. Good. Basically, it's prop trading with some trading strategies. Prop trading with trading strategies, and it is complementary class, but somehow you need to have a referral lah. I will see how is it. No charges. I don't want to sell class anymore. I don't like to sell. I mean, last time I selling class because I'm hoping that people pay my class so they will take it more serious and value me. But I'm in this year. I'm still thinking like, that money. It's not. I mean, I'm just hoping that everyone can get to learn. You want to try to take it serious, it's even better. If you don't want to try to take it serious, time wasted is not my time, it's your time. Correct or not? Okay, good. A referral means that I'm trying to any students from us that refer your friends here, or maybe you attend any one of my class before, then you can come. That is what I'm going to do. Just hoping that the quality people are in my class, not quality one, not any strangers here, just to try to scam or try to take some kind of like info or database. I don't want this to be happen. Okay, sure. Thank you. Thanks a lot for Ryan's experts and thanks Mala. So that's all for today. Thank you so much, and remember, stay tuned for the next 2 weeks live. And also, I will just focus on the Instagram. I mean, I will update everyone in Instagram, also YouTube's. Good. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy making profit in crypto. Ciao.